Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. Taking a look at the Aussie versus US dollar. So let's get started. The first thing to understand about this currency pair is that it's been trending to the downside over the last 5 or 6 or so trading days. Not much in the way of corrective moves. There's a one right here, maybe a little one right here, maybe a little one right here. But most of the price action has been to the downside. You can see that closely on the hourly chart as well. The price of started up here near the 100-day moving average, and once it fell below the 100 and 200-hour moving averages, taking a last gasp on this corrective move to the upside at the 200-hour moving average by finding willing sellers. The price has been lower, close lower, close lower, close lower, close lower, and trading yesterday, and here we are trading near the lows of the week and going back in time as well. So the sellers are firmly in control. 100-hour moving average is up here at 0.65267 and moving lower, of course, and it's moving down toward this swing area right through here. If the price is going to move higher, we're ultimately going to need to get above the 100-hour moving average. If we can't get above that 100-hour moving average, then are the buyers winning? No, they're still losing because they remain below the 100-hour moving average. So that's going to be a hurdle on the top side going forward for this currency pair. Be aware, we may correct in trading here today. We may not continue the run to the downside, but if we do correct, we need to get and stay above the 100-hour moving average. Keep that in mind. Now, taking a look at a longer-term look at the 4-hour chart here, going back in time, the low price that we saw in trading here today did approach this low price going back to August 5th. Now, on August 5th, what happened? That was the carry trade unwind day in Japan, which sent the Aussie versus US dollar sharply to the downside and then sharply back to the upside. And this corrective low right here bottomed against 0.64349. The market sees that. The market did find support buyers against that level in trading here today. Back here, the price that started this whole move to the upside. So we had sharp move to the downside, sharp move to the upside. And now we're seeing the sharp move back to the downside here. So this is a temporary support, or is a support level for the Aussie versus US dollar. If we do break below that level, I'd expect more selling pressure in this currency pair with the low price that we saw in the month on August 5th, which was a low price for the year, by the way, at 0.6348, the next key target on the downside. Finally, let's take a look at the daily chart. And if we look at the daily chart and look at this August low, right through here, you can see that it took out the previous low for the year, which was back here in the month of April at the 0.63614 level. So not only is that this level, the 48 going to be a target, but be aware of the 61 level down here. This should be a decent support if we head on down through the low at the 34 level, and then head on down below the 64 level. Look down toward the 0.6348 to 61 level in trading, but that might not be until next week's trading. So be aware. But the sellers are firmly in control. We have to get above the 100-hour moving average on the hourly chart for it to turn the buyers around for this pair. Absent that, and the sellers, they're leading the way. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.